Je vois la violence, les lunettes dans la route, les mots dont tu les joues, et ça ne fait que de cacher.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Lantana. Nice to meet you guys all. I'm really sorry that I haven't been vlogging for so long because I'm really busy, and plus right now I got a job. I'm currently working, so it's hard for me to find the time to edit videos. I've got like, you know, like shots. I'm kind of like the person who doesn't have time to edit videos, so yeah. Oh, it's the 1st of August and it's like 5:47. Like me and Misha are heading to the bay to take like the mega bus because we're gonna go to Montreal today. Like this is our first time going to Montreal. It's gonna be excited. So if you guys like want to see our journey today, just keep watching this vlog, guys. Okay, so we have arrived at the bus station. We're like really downtown and we're kind of like in line over there. Misha is working on the bus on a weekend, Saturday.
Try it again. It should be like at least something like, is it just like salt? No taste at all. So we spent like what, like $4 because of you?
No, it's only $2.
Okay. Because of you, and now you don't want to eat this. Fansi asked for this, so now she's gonna eat this. She needs to finish it by the end, like by the time we arrive to Montreal, and I'm gonna eat this. Oh god.
Okay, so I haven't been vlogging in this bus for like 4 hours, and it's already like 5 hours now, and I think we are in Montreal. So we have arrived at Montreal, and right now we're heading to the subway to go to our Airbnb.
Yep.
Okay, because we don't have any passes and Presto is not working, so yeah, it's opus. We're kind of like figuring out how to get our keys in for this apartment. Ooh, we found the key. Treasure hunt. Are you excited?
Oh yeah, it was such a quest
I
to find
know.
the key.
Like you never listened to me. Like we need to go over there. We kind of like stroll for 5 minutes.
It's fine.
It's not fun.
But you bought this paper chips. You wasted $2.
We finally found the room.
I think this one. Nice.
Nice. Ooh, nice.
Smells good.
Ooh, that's so nice. Here's our room. And there's like this kitchen over here. So nice.
So nice.
We can survive. We're gonna go to Old Montreal.
Yeah, let's go to Old Montreal.
That is our apartment over there. And it's really close to the station. So this is the apartment and that is the station. So
Yeah, let's go.
yeah. So guys, we have arrived at Old Montreal and that place is the Notre Dame, right?
Yeah, Notre Dame.
Notre Dame. We got our picture and right now we're gonna head to the Notre Dame. We're gonna go inside over there and there is like a line. So excited?
Yeah.
It's now day 2 in Montreal. Right now we're kind of like getting ready to go out and kind of like pottering around Montreal city.
Yeah.
And yeah, Misha is over here too. Right now we're kind of like having breakfast or leftovers from dinner, right?
Yeah.
So Misha is having like the classical Montreal poutine with
Camembert.
camembert, and I'm having just burgers and fries.
And burger also with the special cheese camembert.
Let's eat.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. We have finished our breakfast, so we're planning to go to the art museum, and then there's a Barbie expo that I'm really excited to go to, and it's not really far from our Airbnb place. It's only like a 10-minute and also a 5-minute walk to go there. So what are you doing?
I'm checking how to go to the museums, and then I want to check how to go to this place where it's Delhi, right?
Yeah, we're gonna go to like this restaurant that my friend Barry recommend. It's Warch restaurant, and we're gonna probably like get some bagels near there and poutine. Turns out downtown Montreal is raining. Now we're gonna head to the Barbie museum, the one that I'm really excited for.
Oh yeah, me too.
Yeah, Misha used to play Barbies when he was little.
Yeah, that was my favorite toy when I was little. It's probably gonna be the most interesting museum for today. We're actually in a downtown of Montreal, and this is like a dead city. Like I don't see a lot of people here, because in Toronto when you go downtown, like people are everywhere. Here just like you go and just like you see like 1, 2, like actually like 3 people. That's it.
That's Montreal, guys.
Yeah, over there it's just like St. Catherine Street, and it's just like, you know, like the main street of Montreal, like the same as Queen Street in Toronto, and like here it's like almost no people.
I mean, like it's good for us because it's not really that crowded, so we can like explore things, but at the same time, kind of like a dead city, right?
Yeah.
Ah, it's a free admission too. Let's go. I'm really excited because it's free too. So how was your experience going to the Barbie Expo?
Oh, it was so good.
So guys, it's currently raining and everything is down. We went to the art museum and turns out we need to kind of like book an advance ticket, and we didn't do that. So we end up like scrolling in shopping malls, and we were so hungry, and then went to Swarch. And here's the sandwich. And it's like really good, a lot of meat over here. Really, really good. Recommended. Right, right?
Pretty good.
Bon appetit. So guys, we went home because, I mean, like the reason why we're home at this hour is because it's raining all day. We bought like bagels. Can you show to the camera where's the bagels? We bought like 2 bagels, like avocado and cream cheese, with tea over here by Tim Hortons, because like downstairs is like literally Tim's, so we just like go downstairs and then get our Tim, kind of like watching Netflix over here. And yeah, and he's here is my bagel. I order the guacamole bagel, avocado bagel with some lettuce, I would say. I don't know, let's try. It's good, veggie is good. Oh wow, Misha. Cream cheese. Is it good? Can I try it?
Yeah.
Yours is better. I don't know, it's like that when I open it. It's good? Okay guys, we're back again at the Notre Dame to go inside of the church.
Yeah.
Misha's excited to pray finally.
No.
It's moving now. Misha is happy. The line is crazy. Look at that. Are you excited?
Yeah, I want to do a video.
Finally, we're on the Ferris wheel. It smells like antiseptic, right?
Yeah, I mean, makes sense.
Where are we?
Yeah, we're in a strange restaurants, but yeah, Restaurant Le Vieux Sénateur,
And
the alternator, and we ordered escargot and steak in some cafe with tiramisu.
we order escargot right here and salad. So it's nail, guys. Is it good?
Kind of like mushrooms.
Like mushrooms? This is my first time. I really want to like eat this for so long, but I didn't find any good ones. So. No, this is a mushroom.
The mushroom?
Yeah,
Where's the
this one.
Okay.
This is the real escargot. It's different than the mushroom, right? What does it taste like?
I don't even know how to say it. Like, it's kind of like meat, but like some very soft meat.
Do you like it? I like the sauce. The sauce is like really nice. It's day 3 in Montreal. This will be our last day here. Tomorrow we have work. That's the reason why we need to head back to Toronto. And we're gonna miss this Airbnb apartment because it's so comfy. I have prepared breakfast from our leftovers. This is fries and beef from the Swartz. I didn't finish it yesterday, so might as well bring it home and then eat it for breakfast. We're gonna try this Mr. Puff that Priyanka, my friend, recommended. It's kind of like a dessert shop, so yeah, probably we're gonna go there. We are finally out. We have checked out from our Airbnb and we're heading to downtown Montreal. And it's windy, right?
Yeah, it's windy.
So windy today. That's why we're like wearing our jackets. Eating brunch with Misha. Okay, we're heading for dessert now at Mr. Puff.
It's gonna be tasty, but it looks really nice.
Yeah, and then there's an ice cream over it too.
You wanna get ice cream, right?
No, there is an ice cream, so Puff's an ice cream. So this is our dessert. So guys, we're gonna head back to Toronto. Tomorrow we're gonna start working and I'm gonna end this vlog over here because I'm too lazy to turn on my camera. So yeah, any additional thing that you wanna say?
Bye.